Hi, my name is Mia and welcome back to my channel and welcome to vlog number 6 of this Interrail travel series. This one already starts off kind of chaotic because our train to Stockholm is apparently not going, and there's supposed to be like a bus service instead, but it's all very chaotic. There's literally no one at the tourist information, and well, we'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated. That's also part of Interrailing. The day stays exciting. The truck driver in front of us seems to have been drunk because he was swerving from side to side the whole time, and that was pretty damn scary. Yeah, one time he almost crashed into the railing, and we were following him for probably an hour, so yeah, our bus driver called the cops on him, and yeah, hopefully that's all taken care of now. But we are safe. We are now on that train that's hopefully taking us to Stockholm without any more complications. So yeah, fingers crossed. We'll see you in Stockholm. We have now made it to Stockholm, into our hotel, which again was very conveniently located, just 5 minutes from the station. But yeah, besides a few bumps in the road, we have made it here safely. Unfortunately, that last train that we took had such dirty windows, it was very hard to see, and the movement of the train just made me really tired. So we're pretty much just gonna shower and go to sleep. But we are super excited for tomorrow to explore this beautiful city. Good morning. We are now gonna get ready and are excited for our first day here in Stockholm. What a first day it's been here in Stockholm. The city was very, very beautiful. The mix of modern and old architecture was really nice to see. All the buildings have such colorful facades, which is really nice. Yeah, the food in Oslo kind of spoiled us a bit, so here the food was mostly just good. But yeah, nevertheless, we are home and full and happy and are excited that we have another full day here in Stockholm tomorrow. So yeah, but for now, this is good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning, today too here in Stockholm. We are now getting ready. We've looked up a nice breakfast place to go to, and we're gonna try to check out some of the train stations here because Stockholm is known to have some really cool art inside their train stations here. And yeah, then we'll just walk around, and of course we'll take you with us. And we are now back at our hotel from our second and last day here in Stockholm. We have really enjoyed the city a lot. It's been a very nice day. We started out by trying to find some breakfast. Unfortunately, the first place was closed, even though online said otherwise, but we found some very good breakfast nevertheless. And yeah, then we checked out a train station that I really wanted to go to, which was very cool, had some really nice artwork in it. Then we got a call from our hotel saying that we needed to switch rooms because they needed to do some repairs. So now we got upgraded to one with a window, which is much nicer, but only for one night. So yeah, and then we just headed out, walked kind of like the same streets that we liked yesterday, but also checked out some new parts. We hiked up a little hill to get a nice view of the city. We played a memory game that we have bought, which is really, really fun. It has these very nice wood patterns, which makes it a lot harder than like a kid's memory game. And it's been really hot today. It was 27 degrees out. So yeah. And I bought some new pants, these ones right here, which are linen pants. They're very nice for the summer and loose too, so yeah. That's pretty much it for our day. We're sad to leave Stockholm, but are very, very excited to go home to Berlin to see my family and spend 2 full weeks with them. And yeah, we're just gonna get ready now to go to sleep, and then tomorrow morning we're catching a long train to Berlin. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. We are now getting ready, packing up all our things slowly, and then we're heading over to the train station, and we have a long train journey ahead of us. And yeah, we won't be getting to Berlin until 45 minutes past midnight, if everything goes well, hopefully. And yeah, we'll take you along the journey, of course, and then we'll show you Berlin in the next vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our trip, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.